Very good morning. This is Asnya the Wisdom, and we are specially talking about our kids. They are very precious and priceless gift from the God. हमारे बच्चे हमारे लिए बहुत अद्भुत हैं और अमूल्य हैं. हम क्यों ना उनके लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकें जो हम चाहते हैं और जो वो चाहते हैं. सब कुछ वही ना करते रहें जो सिर्फ हम चाहते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चों की ज़िंदगी बच्चे हमसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं. So today I'm talking about some exercises for kids. So let's see how we can really do their life in a better way. So सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि हम किस तरह से बच्चों को उनकी लाइफ को और अच्छा बनाने के लिए कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं. Hope I'll be able to help you to find out how you can live a better life with your kids. So here we go. So this is Asnya. Hope you can see me, right? But it is alright. So what we're gonna do is we will be telling them that how they can freely jump. और जितना आप अपने बच्चों के साथ जंप करेंगे वो और भी इंजॉय करेंगे. So let's do it together. और हाथों को ऊपर लेते हुए ऊपर की तरफ खींचते हुए रिलैक्स. वन मोर टाइम. दिस इज ताड़ासन, which is very good for their height. If they are growing and they need to increase their height, tell them do it according to their efficiencies. जितना उनसे आसानी से हो सके. One more time. Play with them. The more you'll play with them, the more kids will enjoy. All the parents, this is a special tip for you. जितना आप अपने बच्चों के साथ मिलके रहेंगे उतना ज़्यादा बच्चे आपके साथ मिलके एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. जो आप करेंगे आपका बच्चा वही करेगा. So make sure that you doing best with them. And of course आपकी लाइफ भी और मज़ेदार हो जाती है, because you become more energetic, you become more happy, because you are becoming a kid. आप पुनः अपने जीवन में एक बच्चे की ज़िंदगी जी पाते हैं. So that's what we do. मेरे को यही लगता है, मैं अपने बच्चों में अपनी ज़िंदगी दोबारा जीती हूँ कि yes, they are tiny and I am feeling that I also become tiny and free from all my burden. So let's do it today, right? So what we're gonna do is we will be telling them some more exercises for them, that how they need to take care about their height, their immune system, how they need to jumping and lot of running. So as in हम लोग बाहर ज़्यादा नहीं जा सकते, so we doing jumping and running, jogging just at the same place. So ask your kids either to see my video or do it on their own. I'm sure they'll like it. Hey kids, are you there with your parents? Come, let's do jumping. And dance with them. I'm sure your kids will love to see you dancing along with them. Right? So let's do it one more time. Jumping, dancing, jumping, dancing. Sing, jumping, jumping, dancing, dancing, jumping, dancing. All the kids just get together, get up early in the morning and start doing some exercises for yourself. Let's do it. Jumping, jumping, dancing, dancing, ping, dancing, jumping, dancing, ping, dancing. And tell them, I can touch the sky. So let's touch. Let's touch. Let's touch the sky. One more time. So let's clap all together. एक साथ. And relax. Take long breath. लंबे गहरे सांस लीजिए kids. Hold it. Breathe out. Show your kids like this. One more time. They will enjoy with you. If you will enjoy, they will enjoy. So let's make it more creative. So now tell them, speak, I love myself. मोर की आवाज सुनी? Hope you can listen the voice of the peacock. Just tell, I love myself. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now close your eyes. We will meditate. Kids, let's go for a meditation with the right inside your eyes. So close your eyes. And feel that you are riding on a beautiful chariot with your angels. Keep breathing in and breathing out. And you are watching beautiful clouds, beautiful rains across the region. You are in the sky. And all the angels are coming close to you, hugging you. And your chariot is making you fly everywhere. And with open or closed eyes, same, you are feeling very happy, relaxed and comfortable. So now your heavenly child, your chariot is coming down on earth, and it has come in your own room. So just open your eyes and feel bliss. So how is it? I hope you liked. So this is Asnya Didi for you, or Asnya Auntie, anything that you call me. This is signing you off. Keep doing this meditation. Sit with your parents and do it. Bye. See you again tomorrow. How is this beautiful space? You would like to come and enjoy here? Keep watching the video again and again.